Shan, defense attorney, former federal prosecutor. Shan, nice to see you. So let's start first with this push from the president, right, from the administration for his executive order. So they argue, and I'm quoting here, the injunction is especially indefensible because the agencies are still deliberating over how, if at all, to implement the order. Yet the district court preemptively decided that whatever the agencies may choose to do will necessarily be unlawful. They're not highlighting the merits, right, of the executive order here, saying here's why it should go into effect. They're saying SCOTUS should allow this to happen because the states sued before it actually happened.
Right.
How much, legally, how strong is that argument?
There's so many things wrong with that argument. We just could take hours to dissect it. But you're right. They're not trying to address the merits. Maybe they sense the merits are kind of weak. But the problem is this. If the high court were to agree with them, and this is an administrative stay, it's not really even reaching the merits, just pause for a moment. Basically, the harm that the lower courts recognize as irreparable would come to pass because you're letting these actions start to get carried out without the proper judicial review as to whether they're lawful or not. So really what they're trying to do is to fudge the request. They're saying, look, we're just saying that the district courts acted too early, but actually, if you stop what the district courts did, we basically get what we want right now.
Right, and what they want is to limit this mail-in voting, to significantly change the way elections are handled in a number of states. But of course, there's this whole issue about who controls elections in the states, and it is in fact the states.
Exactly. And even the way they're suggesting this is pretty vague and poorly thought out, but it's the idea of first you want the federal agencies, maybe DHS is directed very vaguely to compile some sort of correct list, and then the post office is not allowed to send the ballots unless they're on that list. I mean, just from a logistics point of view, it just is impossible to get that implemented without sowing chaos over the next 100 days.
So as people look at this, right, we are now, I believe it's, are we 98 days today? 98? I knew I could count on you, Chuck. 98 days out, nothing is happening for November. Is that where we stand?
Right, correct. Right now, nothing's happening. That's what the lower court said. They're saying you can't implement this executive order right now.
Can't right now. So as we watch all of this, as all of this is playing out, too, we cannot ignore there's a whole lot of politics at play here in all of these efforts.